What is up, everyone? Today, we are diving into one of the wildest states in America, Pennsylvania. You might think you know it, but I guarantee its geography will blow your mind. We're talking ancient mountains older than the ocean, rivers that flow the wrong way, and a spot where a single raindrop can end up in 3 different places. This isn't your boring high school geography class. We have spent weeks digging up the most insane, unbelievable facts about Pennsylvania's landscape, and we're about to unleash them on you. We have compiled 50 insane facts, and we are going to be hitting you with them rapid fire. No fluff, no long pauses, just pure, mind-bending information that will make you see this state in a whole new way. From the highest peaks to the deepest caves, from landlocked shipping lanes to a coastline on a Great Lake, Pennsylvania is a land of insane contradictions. I literally can't wait to show you this stuff. So buckle up, because we are about to take you on a high-speed tour of Pennsylvania's craziest geographical secrets. Every fact is a banger, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for all 50. Are you ready? Let's do this. This is 50 mind-blowing geography facts about Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania packs in 6 unique land regions, more than most states. The mighty Appalachians cover more than half the state. Mount Davis towers at 3,213 feet, the state's highest peak. And the lowest? Well, that's sea level, right along the Delaware River. Only one Great Lake touches Pennsylvania, and that's Lake Erie. That's 51 miles of incredible freshwater coastline. So, the Susquehanna is actually one of America's longest rivers that never leaves the country. Pretty cool, right? Weirdly enough, it flows south, not east or west like most rivers around here. That's kinda unexpected. Pennsylvania's water actually drains to the Atlantic, the Gulf, and the Great Lakes. Isn't that wild? So there's this rare triple divide. Rain can actually go 3 ways. Pretty wild, right? Rain that falls here might end up in the Atlantic, the Gulf, or even Lake Erie. Seriously, it's like nature's own crossroads. And the Ohio River? It actually starts in Pittsburgh, not Ohio. Yeah, that one surprises a lot of folks. So Pittsburgh sits right where the Allegheny and Monongahela meet. Pretty wild, huh? The Allegheny Plateau? Yeah, it's actually super rugged, despite what the name makes you think. Over 120,000 miles of rivers and streams crisscross the state. That's like a ton of water everywhere you look. So here's something cool. Pennsylvania is landlocked, but still a shipping powerhouse. And get this, there are no natural lakes here bigger than 20 acres. Most big lakes, yeah, they're totally man-made, like this one. The Poconos? Yeah, they're actually built by ancient uplift, not volcanoes. Glaciers only touch the northern third of the state. The rest kept its ancient landforms, untouched by ice. Some ridges here are older than the Atlantic Ocean itself. You'll find some of Earth's oldest rocks right here. Central ridges run northeast to southwest, like waves across the land. So, the Ridge and Valley region? It's got dramatic folds everywhere, honestly. Over 2.2 million acres of state forest. That's like a ton of trees, seriously. Nearly 60% of Pennsylvania is covered in forest. That's a lot of green, huh? The Delaware Water Gap slices right through a mountain. It formed as rivers eroded the rising mountains. Thousands of limestone caves hide underground here. So karst landscapes mean sinkholes in the east. Coal-shaped whole regions and even river paths. 3 major coal fields power the state's history. So, get this. Soil diversity here grows almost every United States crop. It's pretty amazing when you think about it. The Erie Plain, flat as can be, it's wild. The Allegheny Front is a dramatic elevation drop. So, get this. Elevation can swing like 1,000 feet in just a few miles. Pennsylvania has more navigable rivers than any other state. That's insane. Vast wetlands once covered Pennsylvania, but now they're mostly gone. So it's a humid continental climate here, which means you get some pretty crazy weather. Believe it or not, there are more tornadoes here than most of the Northeast. The rivers here once flowed backward. Yeah, really. Before the land rose up. So ancient seas once drowned most of the state. Fossils are everywhere in limestone and shale regions. The Appalachian Trail runs 230 miles through PA. So, it's famous for being super, super rocky. And get this, over 1,500 named mountains dot the state. But, you know, a lot of these are actually just eroded ridges, not true peaks. Geography here, honestly, shaped America's very first transport routes. This landscape is like a living record of 500 million years. And that is 50 insane geography facts about Pennsylvania. From rivers that flow backward to mountains older than the Atlantic, this state's landscape is absolutely epic. We barely scratched the surface. Every valley, river, and ridge in this state tells a story that goes back hundreds of millions of years. It's not just a place on a map, it's a living museum of geological history, and I really hope this video got you as hyped about it as we are. We spent an insane amount of time putting this together for you guys. I honestly can't decide which fact is the craziest. The Triple Divide is mind-bending, but the idea that the Ohio River starts in Pittsburgh is just hilarious. The sheer amount of history and geological chaos packed into one state is just on another level. I want to know what you guys think. Which fact blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more wild geography. I read all the comments, so let me know which state we should do next. Thank you all so much for watching. Seriously, it means the world to us. Every view, like, and subscription lets us keep making these crazy videos for you. We have some absolutely massive projects coming up that you are not going to want to miss. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.